Here to look at Office for iPhone today. We're not running this particular app on an iPad, and there's good reason for that. Microsoft's only releasing an iPhone version today that works exclusively with Office 365 accounts. So you'll need to sign into your Office 365 account, and then the first thing you'll notice is just how basic this application really is. You can see the recent documents initially, and then you can tab across to the files, which obviously gives you access to your SkyDrive. There's also a new tab that provides access to creating Word and Excel documents, but you can't create a PowerPoint from there. And the settings, they're really simple. You can literally just add your name in for comments and access stuff like the help and support center and the sort of terms of use and privacy. So really simple stuff. Every time you navigate back to the recent section, it should refresh from SkyDrive to provide the latest edited documents. Viewing a document is really simple. You just tap on it, it goes in, and the default view lets you pan around the document with all the changes kept intact. Also, all the images are there and the text formatting. There's also options to share and save a copy of the document alongside some editing tools. Now the editing tools are where this gets a little bit confusing, to say the least. You can simply tap on the editing tools option at the top, which gives you text input initially, and then you can select words in a document to manipulate the colours. But it's not obvious how to select text initially, and you have to actually double tap on a word to get the normal iOS options to select like multiple words. And then you can get to the editing tools and change the fonts, etc. So if we double tap on a word here, you notice I'll have to edit go to the editing options, and then we've got like the colours, bold, italics, all the sorts of basic stuff. You can also change the size of the font, but that's pretty much it. If you want to go back, you have to click on the little arrow to get back. There's no real quick, easy way to switch between view and edit. There's also a viewing tools option that lets you quickly pan through the document or find text within it. A final option is available to place comments on a document simply by double tapping on a word. Once you leave the document, you can then save or discard changes, and they'll all be saved directly to SkyDrive, allowing you to access and edit documents from the full desktop version of Office, Office web apps, or another mobile device. Next up is Excel. Now I found manipulating data here and selecting cells really difficult on the small screen of the iPhone. Once you get the hang of it, then you can quickly jump directly into the edit tools, and then you can create charts based on those cells. Microsoft has included these sort of usual tabs at the bottom here, so you can quickly switch between the spreadsheet and the chart data.